So today we are making mixed veg cheese pasta in just 5 minutes. A very simple recipe. So let's start. We've just added butter, 2 big tablespoons of butter. Then we are adding sliced onion. You can also use ghee instead of butter. So we have taken 1 onion, full onion. Now this is 1 diced capsicum. Remember to keep the flame of the gas in high, and the vegetables needs to be crunchy. So we are not going to saute it for more. Just 1 minute is enough on full flame. Hello everyone, a warm welcome back again to Zaiqa Ka Tadka. Today in our dinner we are making the recipe of mixed veg pasta in just 5 minutes. Very simple and easy. This is the recipe that was shown to us by Shweta Sheth, the lovely mom, whom all of you know, and she made this recipe as part of her tiffin snack, and today we are trying it out as the dinner recipe in my kitchen. So we are going to add the herbs. Little bit of salt. Salt we have added while boiling the pasta also, so do remember that you have to add very little salt here. After adding the salt, this is our pasta. You can see that so the method of boiling the pasta so that it remains so fluffy, you can see it's all fluffy, it's not sticking to each other. The method of doing it is just add water to it. And you also add little bit of salt and oil to it. Any oil will do. Olive oil is the best, but any oil will do. And then you let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes. So hardly 30 seconds of your effort and pasta will be ready. Just keep stirring in between and your pasta will never stick. Once it is boiled after 10-15 minutes, just switch off the gas and make sure you run it under cold water. As soon as you run it under cold water, it will never stick and it will come out very fluffy and nice. So see, our vegetables are all done. We are doing it at high flame. You can keep it as crunchy as you want. So sauteing is up to you, how much you want the crunchiness. Now we are going to add tomato ketchup. Tomato sauce here, almost 1 to 2 spoons as per your taste. You can just add it. It will give a very nice flavor to the pasta. If you are liking this recipe, say a big thanks to Shweta, and also please do like and share the video. This video is for beginners like me who don't know how to make pasta, but will make it very easy for them to cook home cooked food in these times. Now it's done. We are going to add mixed herbs. These are mixed herbs that you normally spread on pizza. So it comprises of oregano, chili flakes, and now chili flakes if you want to add. As much as spicy you want, it is up to you how much you want to add. So see, our vegetables are done. Very simple and easiest recipe this is. Now we are going to add the pasta in this. And this is the Indian version of pasta. So if you are an Indian and you like, nice pasta, the Indian way with a lot of spices, this is how we are going to make it. Now we are just going to mix it the Indian way. This is Indian mixed veg pasta. You can also add other vegetables like carrot or corn, parboiled corn in it. Tomato also, broccoli also. It's up to you. And now in the end, the best part of it, which everyone loves, I'm sure, cheese. We are going to add grated cheese. This is the normal processed cheese that you get in the market. We had cubes of it, so we have just grated it and put it here. And see, just saute it for another 30 seconds to 1 minute. We are going to close the lid here so that the cheese gets melted. The cheese will be melted in just 30 seconds. You'll be able to see, and your pasta is ready. You can make it look more colorful by adding tri-colored capsicum if you have it available. I only add green color capsicum. Then you can add tomatoes, you can add corn. It will give a very colorful look to it. But trust me, the aroma of this pasta is such an amazing. I can't wait to have this as my dinner. Such a quick recipe. You can see 5 minutes. If you have boiled pasta, just cut one diced onion and one diced capsicum, which will just take 2 to 3 minutes. And then you can quickly make this pasta as your dinner. It's a wholesome meal. You can enjoy it with tomato ketchup or chili sauce added to it. And if you want it more spicier, you can add chili flakes also. But if you're making it for kids, don't add chili flakes. If you like this video, please do like, share and share the video, so that everyone can make such an easy recipe. And you can see the cheese is melted and my mouth is watering. I just can't wait to try this. Now we are going to switch off the gas and see my 5-minute pasta is ready in exact 5 minutes. So now enjoy this pasta as a hearty dinner. Make it for your friends and family, for your kids, and enjoy this pasta. I hope you like this video. We'll meet again soon on Zaika Ka Tadka. Bye bye everyone.